Hello everyone, it's Unit 13 here on scene, the Homestead, and I want to show you this over-the-counter medications kit that I put together. It's based on it's called a hanging toiletry organizer. It's 14 3/4 inches by 27 inches long. It came with a top hook, but I replaced it with this type here so that I can put it in. I don't like the hook idea. It doesn't really work for me in most situations. I can use this for a lot of situations. So that's what this is for, and it's applicable to, we have a stand for if we're in an emergency situation. We have a stand that we hang certain bags on. This is one of them, so it has a very special place to go. It has its own place. I don't have a photo of it. Once I get it together, I'll show you. All right, this is the most common items that we keep on hand. This is our over-the-counter. So we have everything from individual portions of bag balm, Neosporin ointments, to chapstick, oral gel for tooth pain or gum pain, typical pain relievers. I like to have a selection of those on hand because not everybody can use the same thing and not everything works the same. So if I have gum pain or something going on with my teeth, I prefer aspirin. It seems to work better than everything else does, so that's why I like it. Anyway, got that, and then we've got all the gastrointestinal stuff, Imodium, Pepcid, we have Tums. And there's also something that's kind of placebo effect, is that if you notice that I've got all the brand names up here for the stuff, there's something about seeing this. I've seen people see these labels and already start getting relief. As soon as they see the label, you can see it. Their body starts to relax because they know they're going to get this and they know what's about to happen. It's really interesting. I'm not talking about just Benadryl, but any of the products. As soon as they see that brand name, they know what's there. And then the other stuff I have is just some everyday things. I've never had to use these IV cleansing wipes, but I have them on hand just in case they're necessary for myself or somebody else. And then we talk to the girls and put a menstruation kit together so that in case something's going on, we're out in the middle of nowhere or something and somebody's unprepared or runs out of materials, there's a little kit here so that they would probably get them through the first part of the day or a couple days, whatever the case is. And that's really just about it. There's these little hot pads. I've never used them, but I have them on hand just in case. And that's it. That's all we have for our over-the-counter kit. It's pretty cool. All right, that is it for the over-the-counter kit, the hanging toiletry organizer. This is Unit 13. I'm out of here.
Truck 37 responding. Truck 37, can you get your ground again, please? Be at 3921 Bridgeview Lane, Crossville Drive. Got a 14-month-old child locked in a vehicle right beside Centra. Copy. Can you have Engine 37 respond with us? They've got our lockout kit.